Moving down to the new center console touchpad, this basically mirrors how you use the touch screen, so you can do things like swipe, tap, or pinch to zoom in and out of the different menu options. It's been fitted with haptic feedback, which you may have heard being referred to as haptics. This basically means that a slight sensation is felt on your finger, distinguishing different parts of the pad. This could be something like a vibration or the touch of a button. It just makes it a more tangible user interface and therefore much easier to use. Another feature is handwriting recognition. This is particularly useful when entering things like phone numbers or addresses. And if, like me, you're right-handed, it's so sophisticated, it will even recognise all my scribbles from my left hand.
London.
If you'd rather though, alongside the pad, there are hard keys for things like going back a screen, changing your music, or returning to the home screen. It's really your choice.